Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of dry parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin K that helps to clot the blood and contributes in bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which helps to reduce the risk of health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease and cancer. To this, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fight bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetes, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart disease and blood pressure and relieves pain. Then to this, add 1 cup of hot water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this parsley cinnamon tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Then strain and add it to a mug. Finally, add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Now a healthy fat melted drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this effective weight loss drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.